Today I'm gonna unbox knowing it. Also, if you're wondering why is it not, because when it's really rainy, so when it delivers it's so good. So yeah, I thought yesterday it went, and the next day it will come here, and I was actually hey, it's also good. I'm just gonna cut it. Oh my god, it's so, the box is big. The box is actually big. Oh my god, so cute. This is the original one, and it said that the face can actually move. I already know. Now I can understand this, but I already know in YouTube. And here it's, you can get the Tutu, you can get Bean Bean, you can get Jojo, Quick, Mimi. This is the original one, and Mimi, and of course the secret. The secret can help with the cat, I think. So yeah. And up here, so it's called Mimi. So good. My God, so good. There. I already know what I got because there's also a card. Don't put a card. Oh, I got Bean Bean. Oh, it's so cute. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's all cookie. Oh my god, so cute. And love in this never ends. It looks so cute. I can't get it. It's so cute. Ang lucky one. Oh my, ang ganda. Tapos magdalaman daw yung man magdalaman bago. Magkapalit. Yan yung pagsabi ko bago magdalaman yung amatay nyo. Magdalaw.
Focus. Show your eyes.
Ano, magdalaw. Pili pala different.
Wow, it's pretty.
Ang ganda. Huwag na si Spot, nagkatingnan. Ang ganda naman si Spot. Yeah, oh my god. So like, it's a card. Oh my god. I got Bean Bean. They also have names. I'm glad that also shows their name in English. And it also has the keychain. So you can like keep it just like this or like a keychain. I know it's really big, but it's so cute. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So this is it, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye!